should be putting some side panels on the Goblin. Fortunately, that's pushed over to the side because our 2018 Volkswagen Atlas with 72,900 miles, which is 900 miles over the warranty that would cover the water pump. It was shooting a mist out under the hood, and then when you shut it off, it was like a stream size of a pencil coming out of this thing. One hand, I can't wobble it back and forth, but it's got tons of wobble. The bearings inside are shot. About 90 bucks at the dealership. Was able to get a new pump. Says it's got a 1-year warranty, so we'll see how that one does, but pretty straightforward. Taking it out, removed the inner fender, the bottom plate, of course, wheels off, put a couple jack stands under it, took the dog bone center engine mount out, right there. Then popped 2 bolts out of the top engine mount on this side here with the hoist hooked to it. Was able to lower it down enough that your regular, I got a couple of them here because I got tight space and one's a little shorter than the other. In triple square. Pulled 3 of those out. Water pump came right out. I wasn't working in the dark. I have my headlamp. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean it all up, spray it down, get all the crud off, throw that pump in, put the belt back on, pull the engine up, put the mounts back in. Quick, easy job. Dealership, I talked to them. I think they had me confused with the smaller engine, that the water pump on that one would be with the timing belt, because they quoted me $1,100 to replace the water pump. So I don't know if they were confused or this really is an $1,100 job, but it was $170 to diagnose plus $1,100 to do it if it needed it. So I just went ahead and spent the 90 bucks, got a water pump because I could see the coolant coming right out of it. I did a horrible job catching, but speed rail will take care of that. Yeah, it's 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. The VR6 in it. Wish it just said VR6 instead of V6 on it, but yeah. So I was looking at the R while I was on the way home with the parts, and that's at 75,000 miles. So maybe this summer I'll do the timing belt and water pump on that before it becomes a emergency thing like this. Lucky the week and the kids and the wife have the week off, so this is down for a week, so made it real easy to pull it in and do this. I think I'm gonna have maybe 3 hours in it, and this is my first time doing one on this vehicle. So not a hard job so far. Of course it's not done yet, so I probably shouldn't say too much, but so far pretty simple, straightforward. You know, apparently saving about $1,100 today. Well, hopefully we're back next time with more of the Goblin.